In this video, I will show you how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with and that you can also withdraw from. So if you wait patiently and you watch this video carefully, you'll be able to get a $100 no deposit bonus by the end of this video, and you'll be able to trade with it this new week and also withdraw from it. Alright, so I've been saying that this is my Telegram channel where I drop updates back to back. Alright, so if you want to join, it is still available. Then you can click on the link in the description to join. Alright, so join our Telegram channel so that you keep getting update from me and you'll be able to withdraw from all this no deposit bonus I have been talking about. Alright, and also there is a discussion group. We have a discussion group where I created to get questions from people that have questions, and you'll be getting a lot of people that will be attending to you also. So for you to join is very simple. Just check the Telegram channel, main Telegram channel, and as you can see, a lot of been going on, and check our pin message. You see the link there. All right, and the link will direct you to the platform. All right, so moving on to how you can get this $100 no deposit bonus. All right, so the terms and condition is very simple. I'll go with the terms and condition first. I'll read out the terms and condition for you guys so that you know what to do and what you shouldn't do, all right, to be able to withdraw from this particular bonus. So the terms and condition is quite simple. All right, just pay attention. All right, so you can only withdraw your profit, all right, which you can withdraw the minimum profit of $150 and which means the total balance you must have in your wallet before you can be able to withdraw is 250 USDT. All right, so and you must trade for a minimum 10 separate calendar days. All right, you must trade for 10 days trading days. All right, and also the lots required is 5 lot size. The minimum of 5 lot size must be trade. All right, and you must hold a particular trade for at least 3 minutes for the lot to count. All right, so this is just the terms and condition for you to be able to withdraw from this bonus. Note, you cannot withdraw your bonus, you can only withdraw your profits, and the minimum withdrawal is 150 USDT. all right, $150, and the lot size is 5 standard lots, and you must trade for 10 trading days, and also you must hold your trade for the minimum of 3 minutes. All right, so now that you've known the terms and condition, let's proceed to how you can get the bonus. So the link to get the bonus will be in the description. Click on it. It will direct you to my Telegram first, and when you get to my Telegram, you see something like this that says claim your account here. So you click on the claim your free account here, and it will direct you straight to their website. All right, so this is what their platform looks like right here, as you can see showing on the screen. This is their platform. Very easy to navigate. All right, very easy to navigate. All right, so when you get to their platform like this, you click on this menu button showing right here. All right, make sure you watch this video carefully because I won't be entertaining any questions in my DM. Any question you have will be solved in this particular video. Just make sure you sit back and you watch carefully. So click on the menu button and you scroll to you see something like promotions. As you can see right here, click on the promotions. All right, and you wait patiently for it to load. All right, so after clicking on it, it is going to bring you right here. All right, this is their promotion. This is the promotions they have. As you can see, this refer and earn up to $500 has expired. All right, so this also has expired. This also welcome bonus of up to $1,000 has expired, but this $100, as you can see right here, is still very much available. So you just click on the claim now and you wait for it to load. Right, it will direct you to the next step. So this is it right here, no deposit bonus. All right, you can start trading without initial investments. So this particular bonus will be traded on MT4 app, not MT5. all right, so it will be traded on MT4 app, and I will show you everything you need to know in this particular video. All right, so after clicking on the $100 claim now, then you come here and you scroll down until you find something like claim your bonus. All right, if you scroll down a little bit, you find the step-by-step process on how you can get it too. All right, and so just click on the claim your bonus right here and wait patiently for it to load. All right, so this is where it's directing me to, which means we have to register an account with them first. So click on the register button and you follow the drill. You know the drill. Input your name, your email address, your phone number, and your password. All right, I'm going to do mine right now and I will get back to the video. So after clicking on the register button, they are going to show you this. You've registered. Check your email to confirm the registration. All right, so that means they are going to send an email to us a message to us that they want us to verify our accounts. All right, so just head over to your email, and after getting there, then you verify that you just registered an account to them. So you click on this link right here showing this is the message I got from them. So click on the link, and after clicking on it, you wait patiently for it to load. All right, so while waiting for it to load, if you know this is your first time of coming across my channel, don't forget to drop a subscription so that you can keep getting updates from me. All right, as you can see right here, your email has been confirmed successfully. All right, so you can now go back to continue to get your bonus. All right, and if you have not liked the video, ensure you like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from this, and we all can make money together. All right, and also drop a comment of the country where you are watching from. I would like to keep making videos for your country. All right, the country that has the most comments, I will be making videos for them next. All right, so this is where it's going to direct you to the area where you have to verify your account, because this account cannot be they cannot give it to anyone that does not verify his or her account. So you have to verify your account first before you can get this particular bonus. All right, it's very easy to verify your account. You know the drill. Input maybe your passport or any of your proof of identity, just upload it and it will direct you to the next step. All right, so after uploading what is required here, then you move to the next one that says personal profile. All right, so you move to the next one that says personal profile, so you input the details required here too. All right, and after that, then you move to the next one, which is the security. All right, let me upload my personal profile right now and get back to the video. So after inputting everything, then you click on the submit for verification right here, and as you can see, changes saved successfully. All right, so we just have to wait for them to verify this particular account. All right, and after verifying the account, then the bonus can be given successfully. But first, there's something you need to do. All right, so click on the menu button showing at the top left corner. After clicking on the menu button, then you go to the accounts, go to accounts right here. You have to create a real account. All right, so click on the real account right here showing right here. Click on the real account. All right, after clicking on it, then you select the standard, and you select leverage that you want to use and click on create account. Right, and you wait for it to load. As you can see, account created successfully. That is where your bonus will be credited. All right, so you click on the go to accounts, and this is it right here. As you can see, the balance is still 0. That is because we have not been verified yet. All right, but to be assured that you get the bonus, click on the menu button again and then go to my bonuses right here. Click on my bonuses, click on the status. All right, as you can see, bonus type, you see the welcome bonus. All right, so it is currently not available yet because our profile has not been verified yet, but it is awaiting verification, as you can see, on verified. All right, so just have to wait for some time. When our profile is being verified, then the bonus will be credited automatically, because that is what they said themselves. All right, if you have any issue, just click on the support right here and message their support for any help or the other that you might need. Right, like I mentioned the terms and conditions the other time, you only have to trade 5 lots and the minimum withdrawal is 150 USDT, US dollars. All right, that's the minimum withdrawal, and you have to hold your trade for at least 3 minutes. Right, and you have to trade for 10 trading days. All right, so this is about this particular bonus. This is all you need to know. And also, you'll be using MT4 to trade, not MT5. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope you're able to get this. All right, and if you are not able to get it, let me know what is stopping you. I'll be very happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a nice day.